around town which is starting
Ang paglalahad ng buong katotohanan ay hindi kasalanan, bagkos
So this
ito'y
is a group of,
nagbibigay sa atin
people
ng
who
kalayaan.
trying to
The
witness
truth shall
and
set us
wait
free,
for
and these are
which is
the
now
plain
fast
truths.
approaching, and here now comes of course the police car leading the parade. Yeah. Remember, this is a very beautiful Monday, and it's the 19th day of the month of November, year 2012, as we now give you a live coverage of this ongoing parade around town in connection with the opening of our 2012 Vardea right here at Ballesteros, Cagayan. And I repeat, our exact location now is here at the public market of Ballesteros, as we now try to give you a minute by minute blow by blow account of this very exciting and wonderful parade. And well, the parade is being headed of course by the colors. We have there the Philippine national flag and the flag banner for Vardea, well, with the assistance of our brothers from the Philippine National Police leading the way for this very exciting and very fantastic parade. Okay, here comes the first school band of Ballesteros Central School, marching and now proceeding of course to the entrance for the 2012 Vardea meet right here at Ballesteros, Cagayan. Well, this is now Abulug District. We have a long line of parade. These are the athletes coming from the district of Abulug in red, as we now give you a minute by minute, blow by blow account of this very exciting parade around town. And this really opens up our 3-day Vardea athletic meet right here at Ballesteros, Cagayan. For nobody does it better, giving a minute by minute, blow by blow account of every exciting event related to the ongoing 2012 Vardea. And it's Ballesteros, the beautiful town of Ballesteros, hosting of course. And we now have our friends, ladies and gentlemen, friends from the district of Abulug. Wow! In red jersey. This is Abulug district. Then followed of course by the Ballesteros West Central School Band. In a dazzling white uniform, we have our school band coming from Ballesteros West Central School. So there you have it. It's a non-stop coverage of this ongoing. Alakapan North is now back, and now proceeding back to the Oval for the exchange of hostilities in this ongoing 2012 Vardea. A minute by minute, blow by blow count, non-stop coverage of this wonderful and fantastic parade around town. We do have our teaching staff and coaching staff of Alakapan North, headed of course by Sir Cirilo Romero there at the back, giving us a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up, coming from Alakapan North. Coming up is Alakapan South. This is now Alakapan South, following Alakapan North. Still putting up a very long queue of athletes and coaching staff participating in this 2012 Vardea meet right here at Ballesteros, Cagayan, as we do give you a minute by minute, blow by blow and non-stop coverage of this event. Cabaritanis Elementary School Band is now giving us a very beautiful music to march with this ongoing parade around town. This is Cabaritanis. Delegation coming from the whole Ballesteros district, now coming up in their dazzling white. This is Narañaga Ballesteros district. have a very long queue of athletes coming from the district of Ballesteros, sporting, of course, their dazzling white, and being joined by our coaching staff, holding on, and they are giving us a thumbs up. So again, ladies and gentlemen, coming very strong. Go for Narañaga Ballesteros district. Yes, the coaches and the teaching staff of the district of Ballesteros. And of course, from the Veni Vidi Vici band of Cabuluan Elementary School, we now have them providing the music for the athletes to march by as we have to continue with the ongoing parade around the town. This is Natalgeda Cabuluan Elementary School. Still on focus, we have the band, the Veni Vidi Vici band of Natalgeda Cabuluan Elementary School. There they go! Make it good! Veni Vidi Vici School band of Cabuluan Elementary School, followed by Calayan East. This is Calayan East. And we are providing you a minute-by-minute, block-by-block account, non-stop coverage of this very fantastic and wonderful parade around town just to open up our 3-day celebration of our Vardea. Santa Praxedes, Claveria West, coming up with a very beautiful smile coming from our athletes in baby pink jersey. Oh, nagsisiksikan na sila dito sa bandang huli ng ating parada. But the parade must go on. We are still in the thick of the parade. It's a non-stop coverage, and coming up, we now have Claveria East in golden yellow. This is Claveria East with their numbers now pasted on their breast. Athletes coming from Claveria East District. The heat is on, but we are not being bothered by the heat of the sun, because it's so very wonderful to be watching these athletes having the parade around town just to open up our 3-day celebration of our 2012 Vardea athletic meet right here. Where? Oh, it's your Narañaga Ballesteros district hosting this 2012 Vardea. Okay, in yellow. Now coming up is the school band. Okay, can I have that ball? It's Mikasa, Claveria is Mabutal Elementary School school band. And mind you, our actual